highlight the differences. We are here to find the common points, the vibrations, the similar vibrations. When we pray, when the mind rises high above the common problems, when we pray, we commune with the Lord. All of us commune with the same Lord. There is no difference, and it is there. It is there that we are brothers. There at that level we are brothers. There is nothing to divide us. So we are one in the name of Almighty. The second point I would highlight is that we have to recognize the fact that there are various religions in this world, different religions in this world. There have been different religions in this on the face of this earth for thousands and thousands of years. For thousands and thousands of years there have been religions, different religions, various religions, and this is the time we should accept the fact that there are different religions. And we should accept there are different religions. There are 10 or 11 major religions in this world. Nobody can deny that. Nobody can wipe out that reality. We have to accept that fact, that truth, in order to build a communal harmony, in order to build a harmony of the hearts of the people. We have to understand that there are different religions. More, we have to respect every religion. The civilized nations that we are, the civilized people, we are proceeding to more civilized levels of intellectual understanding. It is the duty of every one of us in this world to understand, to recognize the difference, and to respect the difference. Because you are from a different religion, yes, my hat's off. We have to love, go out, amalgamate, be one with them, go with them like brothers. In Kerala, it is for the information of Dr. Nayak. In Kerala, we don't have this kind of bitter feelings among the religionists. In the villages, children from the Muslim family, Christian family and Hindu family, they live together, they study together, they grow together. All these differences are put on the head of the people here. Therefore, that is the kind of fraternal feeling that we must have, that we have in Kerala already. The rest of India must take it from us. Recognize the fact that there are different religions. Recognize the fact that all the religions are valid path towards the Supreme. As I told you, when I sit for prayer, when you sit for prayer, when we close our eyes, when we think about the Almighty, we think about the same Almighty, and therefore at that level we are one. So respect the other religions, every religion. Give them Godspeed. We are all working in the vineyard of the Lord, and therefore that feeling of love, affinity, go amalgamate with everyone. Yes, go ahead, Godspeed for you. You have your own way, I have my own way. I like to take food in my way, you take in the way you like, but we must take food, we must have prayer, we must rise ourselves to the consciousness of the supreme reality, and therefore that is another point which can unite us. That is where we have to try. Then there is a concept of Ishta Devata in Hinduism. Ishta Devata means chosen ideal. There is a concept of chosen ideal. Give the freedom to everyone to follow his path. Let us not put the weight on him to say that what he is doing is bad. No, allow him freedom. That freedom of the heart must be there to worship the Lord in his own way. We must have that kind of magnanimity, to allow that freedom to everyone, that liberality, that freedom. We shall not curb it. If we curb it, we shall be going against the dictate of the Almighty Lord. His call to us is to love everyone as brothers, as sisters, everyone. Nobody is new, nobody is alien, nobody is a stranger. No one is a stranger. All belong to one group. We are children of God. At that level we are one. So we have to find out areas like the essential areas like this, where we sit together with love, promoting progress, peace, prosperity to everyone, praying for everyone. Sarve bhavantu sukhinaha. That is what you want. That is what you wish from your heart. Everyone must be happy. Sarve santu niramayaha. Let no one have any suffering, pain. That is what every human heart prays, whether belonging to Christianity or Islam or Hindu. Sarve bhavantu sukhinaha. Sarve santu niramayaha. Sarve bhadrani pashyantu. Ma kaschid dukkha bhag bhavet. Let there be suffering for anyone. Is not that the prayer that comes up from your heart, from our heart? Is it not? Can we differentiate? Only let there be peace and well-being for only one section? No. The moment you say that, you are going against the will of the All-Merciful. We have to go in tune with the will of the Almighty. Pray everybody. We must pray for everybody. Sarve bhavantu sukhinaha. Sarve santu niramayaha. Sarve bhadrani pashyantu. Ma kaschid dukkha bhag bhavet. At that level we have to come. All the religions lead us to that level. So let us promote what is essential ideals and also points where every one of us agree. We have to build, we have to make those points strong so that all the 500 or 600 crores of humanity remains one, breathe in the same way in the name of the Almighty. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Swami Golokananda, for your talk. May I call upon respected Father Gio Payapalli to present his response. Father Gio Payapalli.
We are living in this century, the threshold of the third millennium. And when we look around, we see major world religions, 11 or 12. And when we study the origin of religions, we know that it has been conditioned by socio-cultural background. Religion is total other person's awareness of the absolute, awareness of the transcendent, which every human being has. They earn a power, absolute power, beyond this earthly, terrestrial, mundane reality. So we have the primal religions, the tribal religions, which has already emerged thousands and thousands of years back. And later on, religions were evolved in different countries, in different continents. So we have in India 4 religions: the Hinduism, the Jainism, the Buddhism, or Sikhism later. We have in the Near East, Far East, the so-called revealed religions: Judaism, Christianity, and Islam. And later on we have other religions in Japan.